Good evening, I'm John. Where are we? There we are. This is what we're trying to make. It's a little spacer basically to hold bars, the Firebars apart. Quarter diameter, number 30 hole, 75 thou thick, and it's made out of stainless, but there's stainless and stainless. This is Inconel, non-magnetic. This is 303, non-magnetic. And this, when I bought it, I said, is it free cutting? Oh yeah, it's free cutting, they said. And I said, is it 303? Oh yeah, we don't sell anything else. As you can see, that is a martensitic stainless, and trust me, it's hard. It really is hard. So let's get on and see what we can do with it. Taking a bit more care of our cutting tools, because this stuff, it really knocks the stuffing out of them. Well, let's put my glasses on. These stainless bits in my eye. I'm going to keep the feed on with these things, because otherwise it work hardens. Chop then make some room for the chamfering tool. Just put a little chamfer on the front and the back. As you can see by the smoke, it's getting hot. A little World War I Capstan with its white metal bearings seems to be coping with it for the moment. How much longer that'll go on for, but I think it's enough to get 50 of these made, or another 50 I should say. Ooh, that bar end's getting warm already. And there you have it. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoyed it.